Good morning. Welcome back to school. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We're going to look at minute 94. For numbers 1 through 4, circle the incorrect words in each sentence and then write the entire sentence correctly on the line. Hint, each sentence has two, underline the word two, incorrect words or group of words. Mr. Smith should be capitalized, came home with 2 puppies for his kids. Puppies should be P-U-P-P-I-E-S, and Smith should be a capital letter. You're going to rewrite that on the line. I'm not going to do this at this time because that'll take too much time, and you're just checking yours. They is going to Disney World for a week. They are, it should be are, going to Disney World, capital D, capital W. Make sure those corrections have been made in your rewriting. And yes, you are to rewrite the sentence. Mrs. Smith wants to shop in the mini store. Mrs. Smith wants to shop in the mini store. Circle M for Mrs. Smith wants to shop in the store. I'm going to just take out Manny. I don't know why that's in there. Mrs. Smith and Reggie Jr. wants to ride all the roller coaster. Mrs. Smith and Reggie Jr., capital R, it's his name, want to ride all the roller coasters. For numbers 5 through 10, circle the correct word in each sentence. Patty and Lauren want to see a movie. Patty and Lauren wants to see a movie. Well, they want to. They are looking forward to their first plane ride. They are looking forward to their first plane ride. Plane, the airplane, is P-L-A-N-E. Please raise your right hand. Please raise your right hand. The right that we're looking for here is right and left. The dog runned around the tree. The dog ran around the tree. The dog ran around the tree. I couldn't decide whether or not to order cake or pie. And that's spelled correctly. Incorrectly, the second one is. She, mother, is taking us to the movies after school. Her mother is taking us to the movies after school. Let's turn the page over and let's look at minute 94 for math. Emma buys 2 chocolate milkshakes for $2 each. She gives the clerk $6. How much change will she receive? This is a 2-step process. If she buys 2 chocolate milks and they're $2 each, you have to add $2 for one of them and $2 for 2 of them, and that is $4 for the chocolate milk. Then she gives the clerk $6 and you take away the $4 that she spent on milkshakes. 6 minus 4 is 2, so she gets $2 in change. Write the fraction for 3/8, 3 over 8. What is the volume of this shape? For volume, you go 3 times 3 equals 9. Then 9 times 3 equals 27. So your answer is 27. 48 times 2, 48 plus 48. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Or you can multiply 8 times 2, which is 16 plus 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Either way, you get 96. 63 divided by 7. I know 7 times something equals 63. I know my multiplication problem, so I know the answer is 9. You may have to draw out 7 circles and count up to 63 to see that that is 9. 1,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 2 is 1,492. 3,000 plus 600 plus 3. If you notice, we don't have any tens here. So it's 3,600, 0 for the tens, and 3. We're going to round the number to the underlined digit and then circle the answer. Here I'm rounding to the tens. 5, 3, the 3 tells me to stay with the 5, so it's 450. 391, the 1 tells me that that's closer to 9, so we stay at 390. This time I'm going to hundreds. I go right next door. The 9 is high. It's above 5, so that tells me to go up to 300. Okay? Make sure you look over your work, show your teacher, put it in your cubby, and go to Lexia Core 5.